Hey there! I am Tammy, trader at Hanwha. I will be sharing with you this week's market insights. Well, for this week we have some topic for discussion. In early 2025, a company initiated biofuel bunkering operations in Panama, marking the first such activity in the region. Despite this milestone, the uptake of biofuel sales has been slower than anticipated. Only a limited number of deliveries have taken place since the initial supply in February. The slow demand is attributed primarily to pricing and regulatory challenges. Customers tend to source biofuels from regions such as Singapore and Northwest Europe, where prices are more competitive. Although Panama offers better pricing than neighboring countries like Peru and Colombia, it still struggles to attract significant demand due to its inability to compete with major global hubs. Efforts to source biofuels locally from Peru and Colombia have not yielded cost-effective results. The company continues to explore alternatives to make biofuels more economically viable in the region. Regulatory incentives that have driven biofuel adoption in Europe, such as the EU ETS and FuelEU maritime regulations, are not as influential in Latin America due to geographic and policy differences. The pooling mechanism under FuelEU maritime encourages companies to purchase biofuels in the cheapest locations, further limiting demand in Latin America. Now, let's take a look at the weekly crude movement. This week, crude prices, WTI fluctuated around $64, hitting highs of $65, Brent hovered around $66, and Dubai crude hit $69 to $70. Let's now evaluate this week's prices at the key ports. As we know, the biofuel market demand is growing stronger due to regulations. Let's take a look at the pricing as of this week. Last but not least, the weekly UCOME and UCOME prices at China. We hope you have gathered some useful insights on this week's market. Let us know what you think down in the comments and please subscribe for weekly insights like this.